Welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name is Dylan Gates and I'm a teacher trainer and business English trainer based in Spain. And my workshop is about communication strategies. And in this workshop, you're going to learn what they are, what are communication strategies. You're also going to learn about how teachable they are and how learners can become aware of and acquire and activate them in order to become much more effective communicators when they have conversations in English. I'm sure all of you have had the experience of working with learners who really struggle to give you longer answers. They give one-word answers or they stop talking. And so by using communication strategies, they can create longer answers. They can participate for longer in conversations. They can have more interesting conversations. And they can lose this fear of speaking perfectly in a conversation, because communication strategies will help them acquire the skills to communicate despite not having exactly the right words.